What if I told you that your Tesla Model Y could last not just for years, but potentially for decades with the right care? A lot of people believe electric cars require zero maintenance, but that's not entirely true. The reality is actually better. Teslas require far less maintenance than traditional gas-powered cars, but the few things they do need are extremely important if you want your car to perform at its best for a long time. Understanding these essentials can make the difference between a Tesla that simply runs and one that truly lasts. When you compare a Tesla to a gasoline car, the difference is immediately clear. Traditional vehicles rely on complex engines with hundreds of moving parts, requiring constant attention like oil changes, spark plug replacements, transmission servicing, and exhaust system repairs. In contrast, Tesla has simplified the driving experience by eliminating most of these components. There's no engine oil, no gearbox in the traditional sense, and far fewer parts that can fail. This design is what makes Tesla ownership so convenient, but it also shifts the focus towards a different kind of maintenance that many owners overlook. One of the most commonly ignored components is the 12V battery. Even though your Tesla is powered by a large, high-voltage battery pack, it still depends on a smaller 12V battery to operate essential systems like electronics and controls. This battery doesn't last forever and can fail without much warning. Replacing it every 3 to 4 years is a simple step that can prevent unexpected issues, because if it dies, your car might not even turn on, despite having a fully charged main battery. Tires, on the other hand, are the most frequently worn-out part of your Tesla. The Tesla Model Y is both powerful and relatively heavy due to its battery, which means it puts more stress on tires compared to many gas cars. Quick acceleration also contributes to faster wear. Regular tire rotations every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers and maintaining proper tire pressure are essential habits that will not only extend tire life, but also improve safety and efficiency. Interestingly, brakes are one area where Tesla truly stands out. Thanks to regenerative braking, the car uses its electric motor to slow down, reducing reliance on traditional brake pads. This means brake components can last significantly longer, sometimes over 100,000 kilometers. However, that doesn't mean they should be ignored. Periodic cleaning and inspection are still necessary, especially in environments with dust or moisture, to ensure everything continues working smoothly. Another important but often overlooked area is the cabin air filter. This filter ensures that the air inside your car remains clean and free from pollutants. Over time, especially in dusty or polluted environments, it can become clogged and affect both air quality and airflow. Replacing it every 1 to 2 years is a simple and affordable way to maintain a comfortable interior environment. Behind the scenes, the cooling system plays a crucial role in keeping your Tesla running efficiently. The battery pack operates best within a controlled temperature range, and Tesla uses an advanced liquid cooling system to manage this. While it doesn't require frequent attention, the coolant should still be checked and maintained every few years. Proper thermal management directly impacts battery health, performance, and long-term durability. Beyond the mechanical components, taking care of your Tesla's exterior is just as important if you want it to look new for years to come. Tesla's paint, while sleek and modern, can be sensitive to environmental damage. Regular washing, applying protective coatings, or even installing paint protection film can help preserve the car's appearance and protect your investment over time. Perhaps the most important factor in extending the life of your Tesla is how you charge it. Battery health is heavily influenced by charging habits. For daily use, it's best to keep the battery level between 20 and 80%, rather than charging to 100% all the time. Frequent use of fast charging should also be minimized unless necessary. These small habits can significantly reduce battery degradation and help maintain long-term performance. One unique advantage of owning a Tesla is maintenance isn't just physical, it's digital as well. Through over-the-air updates, Tesla continuously improves the car by adding features, fixing bugs, and enhancing performance. Keeping your software up to date is like giving your car regular upgrades without ever visiting a service center. What truly sets Tesla apart is not just what you need to maintain, but what you can completely forget about. There are no oil changes, no engine repairs, no transmission servicing, and no fuel-related issues. This dramatically reduces both the cost and complexity of ownership, making the overall experience far more convenient compared to traditional vehicles. In the end, making your Tesla last forever isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things consistently. By paying attention to a few key areas like the 12V battery, tires, charging habits, and basic upkeep, you can ensure that your Tesla remains reliable, efficient, and enjoyable for many years to come. Teslas aren't just built to be driven, they're designed to evolve, and with the right care, they can truly stand the test of time.